Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. We are in Split, Croatia, so welcome to Split. You wouldn't believe what's behind this camera. Guys, check this out. Oh, that's this glorious sea. This morning it took us about 1.5 hours to drive from Krka National Park to here. On the way here, the views, it's amazing. We drove through canyons. We also had a top-down view of another town from the hills, and that was really amazing. It's beautiful, the weather is great. Not that great actually. It's slightly cloudy, but you can see the blue sky is starting to appear over there. Apparently at 3 PM today it's gonna be completely blue. Unfortunately, sundown is at 4:30. So hopefully we still get to see good parts of the city. Yeah, can't wait, because Split is one of the nicest cities in Croatia, apparently. And the wind is pretty strong, so I guess no drone flying today. Sorry guys, I wouldn't take the risk, because the gust, it comes and goes, and I believe the gust is right now about 60 kilometers per hour, way faster than the maximum speed of the drone. Bikinis allowed here, but why is the wind so strong?
The wind is crazy!
Finally, we're away from the winds because now we're surrounded by buildings, and the buildings are so beautiful. It's the old quarters, I think, and the floors, well tiled, well paved. I don't know what to call that, but nice, very nice, and very high end. Actually, you can see from the prices as well. Okay, so now we're trying to look for food to eat. The prices are pretty expensive. Like this is 14 euros for entree. Yeah, pretty UK prices, right? Oh guys, and thankfully the sun is shining again, and that makes my eyes a bit more Asian than before. But yeah, there seems to be a lot of ruins around here. It's beautiful, look at that. And there's that tower over there. I think part of the ruin as well. Beautiful. My goodness, Split, you're amazing. I'm surprised. And this place here looks like the Iranian bazaar. The architecture looks very similar with the arches and all that. Very beautiful, look at that.
But it's another tomato sauce which I don't like.
Oh, in white wine. A Christmas.
Oh guys, check this out. So those are some shells, and then this is sea bass, and then 2 smaller sardines and some calamari, all the fried stuff, anchovies, and then Bahri ordered salad with tuna. Is it with tuna?
I'm on a diet today.
Yeah, he's on a diet.
No, it's with feta cheese.
Oh, with feta cheese, okay.
Let's see if he can, you know, stick to his diet, because look at this.
It looks very good, yeah.
Yeah, and then this is the side garnish that comes along with that. Oh my, this is gonna be epic. By the way guys, the price is quite expensive, but I think based on the size and the portion, I think it's worth it, don't you guys think? Guys, we finished the food. It was so amazing, especially the platter. The sardine is slightly dry, but the rest is quite good. Highly recommended. This is a good restaurant. Yeah, the food just now total was about 518 kuna, which is about 70 something euros.
Oh, but only these two ate the whole platter, so I didn't.
Yeah, so
you can tell how much they ate.
Yes. So 70 euros technically would be the portion for 2 persons in a way. That's something you need to expect from meals in Split. But the food is good and the ambience is good, the decorations inside the restaurant is good, the seat is good, the food is good, everything is good. Yeah, after meal it's time for some exercise. And now we are trying to climb up to the Marjan hill to get a skyline view of the entire city. Oh, the wind is strong again, sorry guys. And unfortunately the sun disappeared again. Okay, oh well, hopefully the sun appears again when we are at the top. Ta-da! And it's golden hour right now, so beautiful. My goodness. Split, you are amazing! Oh my god, look at the wind, guys! Oh, that's so windy!
Later.
So Amalia, how's Split so far?
Yeah, not bad. It's nice buildings, traditional, old, I guess, heritage, but yeah, it's just a city.
So Bahri, how's Split for you?
It's good. It's a beautiful city. It's a little bit cold in the winter, but overall it's a beautiful city.
Oh, what a wonderful day. The wind is strong, but the view is amazing. The city is great, the architecture is great. We really love Split. And the food, oh yeah, the food is great as well. Oh, one tip. If you guys are looking for good food, always look for a restaurant with the name, what's the name?
Marjan.
No, Marjan is the hill over there.
No,
Cordoba.
but memang the best, if I read online, the best restaurant over here is Cordoba Marjan. But that place was closed, so we went to somewhere next to it.
Yeah, but remember there was a tip online that says it has to be like as long as it has Cordoba in the name or something.
That's what he said.
That's what I said.
No,
Yeah.
just now I saw on your phone as well the review. It says as long as it has Cordoba in the name,
That's authentic.
it means it's authentic Croatian.
Okay.
So that's important tip. Yeah, we make a good decision today when it comes to the restaurant. The food is epic. So yeah, Split is great. I guess that's the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life. Don't forget us. Dui dui.